Hi students, how are you all? I am very happy to meet you through this video session. I am S. Naveen Kumar from Bardasnar Metric High Secondary School, Arakonam, Department of Computer Science and Applications. Now we are going to see in 11th standard Computer Science and Applications, Chapter 2, Number Systems. In this part, we are going to see binary arithmetic. In this binary arithmetic, specifically we are going to see binary subtraction. In this binary arithmetic, we are going to discuss the next topic as binary subtraction. In this topic, we have some formula similar to binary addition. Now we are using binary subtraction formula. Here, let us consider A as input and B as also another one more input. Here you find the difference, that is A minus B, and suppose you have a less amount, you can borrow from others to satisfy your condition. The similar way, the given number is a very smallest number, you can borrow from the nearest number, that is called borrow bit, not a carry bit, borrow bit. That borrow bit, here 0 minus 0, we get an answer is 0. Here there is no borrow. And 1 minus 0, we get an answer is 1, no borrow. Here 1 minus 1, we get an answer is 0. Here also no borrow. But 0 minus 1, 0 is the smallest number, 1 is the biggest number. We borrow from here nearest bit. So this is the formula for finding the binary subtraction. Are you clear? This is the formula to find the binary subtraction. Very simple formula. 0 minus 1, we get borrow from the nearest bit and we put an answer as 1. Are you clear? How it is possible means very simple. 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. That similarly in decimal, how it is possible in decimal means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. That is, the 2 equivalent binary form is 1 0. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. This is the formula to find the binary subtraction. Are you clear? Next we are going to do some examples. In this binary subtraction, we are work out using that beginning formula. Yes. Now we are going to what operation? Very good. Subtraction. 1 1 0 1 0 double 1 base 2. Here 0 1 0 1 1 1. How many bits in this first number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bits. You can check it now. Okay. How many bits in that second number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits are there. So you can check it there. We can write the 6 bits or not. Now we are going to do the operation as subtraction. Already you know the formula. 1 minus 0. What? Very good. 1. 1 minus 1. 0. 0 minus 0. 0. Here 1 minus 1, 0. It is possible 0 minus 1. Very good. 0 is the smallest number and 1 is the biggest number. Now you can borrow from the nearest position. How can you borrow? Very simple. You can borrow from this position. Here you can borrow from 1. This should be considered as 1 0. Here 1 will be taken from the previous, so it will be a 0. How it is possible? The given number is 1. You can borrow from 1 to that next digit. What will the result? 0. Suppose the given number is 8. We can borrow 1 from this. We get an answer is 7. The similar way we can use it. So you can borrow 1 from here, the previous position. 1 0 minus 1. We get an answer is 1. And then here 0, 0 minus 1 is possible. Now we are going to borrow here. This will be 0 and this term will be 1 0. 1 0 minus 1, we get an answer is 1. This is the answer. Are you clear, students? Now you are finally write the question and answer. 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 base 2 minus 1 1 0 1 0 base 2 is equal to, you can write here, you put 0. There is no value 0 in the most significant bit, but you can put 0 because the number of digits in that first question is, first number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you can write answer in 7 digits. 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 base 2. Base 2 is very important. Okay, because this base 2 only identify the given number is a binary number. This is the answer and put it in box. Are you clear? Next we are going to see the given decimal number. That decimal number can be converted into binary and then you are doing binary subtraction. Yes. Now we are going to see the subtraction. This given number is in decimal. How can you identify the given number is in decimal? Very good, ma. Because the base value of number is 10, so it is a decimal number. How can you convert this decimal number into binary? Very simple, divided by 2. So first you can convert this number into binary form. 14 can be divided by 2. 7 2s are 14, balance 0. 3 2s are 6, balance 1. 1 2 is 2, balance 1. Now you can write 14 base 10 is equal to, we get an answer, only how many bits? 4 bits. So you can write 111 0 base 2. But which representation is very correct approach? Very good. 8-bit representation. So you can added 4 zeros in the MSB position. Yes. 0 0 0 0. How many zeros we are added? We get an answer as 8-bit. Next, we are going to convert the 12 into binary form. 6 2s are 12, balance 0. 3 2s are 6, balance 1, 0. 1 2 is 2, balance 1. Here 12 base 10. In this 12 also we get only 4 bits. So you can add previously 4 bit and then write 1 1 0 0. Are you clear? 1 1 0 0. Now you are going to do what? Subtraction. Because the given sign is minus, so you are going to do subtraction. 0 minus 0, what's the answer? 0. 1 minus 0, what's the answer? Very good. 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Here you can 0 minus 0, all the terms are 0. So in decimal, 14 minus 12 is equal to what? Very good. 2 base 10. This is the final result of 2 base 10. 0 0 0. How many zeros you can write? 6 0. 1 0 base 2. This is an answer for 2. Are you clear? This is the subtraction. Yes. Here we have attached the study material for binary subtraction. How can you identify the given number is a binary number? Based upon the given base value and binary numbers only in terms of zeros and ones. With the help of this study material, you can work out some problems that should be added in question bank. Yes, we have attached the self-assessment for your learning purpose. You can work out the problems. Yes, today we are discussed binary arithmetic. Thank you, students.